Hello. Since the 1980s, a new generation of medicines have been developed, called biological medicines. These have revolutionized the way we treat acute and long-term conditions, as they target the cause of the disease more accurately than older medicines. They offer new treatment options for conditions such as cancer, inflammatory diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, and autoimmune conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease. Unfortunately, biological medicines are very complicated to manufacture and therefore very expensive. To ensure that as many people can benefit from these new treatments as possible, your hospital now uses biosimilar medicines. This video will help you understand more about biological and biosimilar medicines and the reason behind this change. A biological medicine is any medicine that is manufactured in a living organism, such as a plant or animal cell. Think of them in the same way that bread or yogurt is made using living cells. This is in contrast to most medicine, like aspirin, that are made by combining chemicals in an ordered process. Biological medicines, also called biologicals for short, are complex molecules which are very difficult to manufacture. A biosimilar medicine is very similar to the original biological agent. It is not possible to make an exact copy because of the size and complexity of the original biological medicine. However, it hasn't been shown to be any different from the original biological medicine in terms of safety, quality, or effectiveness. The idea behind biosimilars and biologicals is like the relationship between Nurofen and ibuprofen. Nurofen is a branded medicine owned by a single company. Ibuprofen contains the same active ingredient as Nurofen and works in the exact same way, but it is a generic copy and is therefore cheaper. The companies that make biosimilars are governed by very strict licensing rules and have to provide evidence of their effectiveness, safety, and quality. Companies have had to prove through large clinical trials that the medicine works just as well and is just as safe as the original biological medicine. Proof that biosimilars work in the same way as biologicals often takes several years and costs millions of pounds. The main benefit of biosimilars is that more patients can have access to these life-altering medications, so we can improve treatment for people with conditions like yours. This is because they are a lot less expensive. You can expect the same results from a biosimilar as you would have from the original biological medicine. If you have questions about biosimilar medicines, please speak to your healthcare team.